Hi, Scott Pohl here with the National Bowling Academy. And what we're looking at is for beginners out there that want to learn how to have a spare system for themselves. There's a very simple one out there. It's called the 369. Let's look at when we have spares to the right-hand side. We're going to move our feet to the left, use the 369 system. Let's get out on the lanes. First of all, it's very important that you are lined up to hit the pocket consistently. Otherwise, the system does not work. What we want to do is make the 3-pin. This is actually the pin that is one to the right of the head pin. Well, how are we going to do this? First of all, from our strike target, we're going to stand 3 boards to the left with our feet and keep the same strike shot and make the 3-pin. Next up, we have the 6-pin. This pin is one to the right of the 3-pin. So what we're going to do is move our feet 6 boards to the left and use the intended strike target and make the 6-pin. Next is the 10-pin. This pin is one to the right of the 6-pin. What we want to do is move our feet 9 boards to the left, use the strike target, and make the 10-pin.